Ah, lagyan mo.
Hindi pa luto eh.
Maluluto ka.
Hindi matigas siya. Kailangan lutuin talaga.
Yun. Ano yan? Huwag mo masyadong pasarap yun eh.
Kasi, ay grabe ka Dabi ha. Kasi,
Luto na yung isang leg.
hindi pa.
Lutuin, punahin mong lutuin. O magluto kang patatas.
Sana.
Sige, magluto mo. Yan, sa gilid, patatas. Hi guys! Good morning! I just finished planting rosemary. So we are now relaxing. We're going to have what's that? Kukuchoma. Kukuchoma. Yeah? Roasted meat. Roasted chicken for our lunch today with potato and bread. I'm going to plant what's that? Indigo Fera and Moringa later. Let me show you what I planted. So it's along this side. Yeah. That's the rosemary. Okay. So that's what I did a while ago. Up to the end. So this is our dragon fruit alley. Okay. Many different varieties. This one is Moroccan red. This one is Bruni. Moroccan red. Moroccan red. The other four would be Isis gold. Okay. This side, that's Ecuador Palora. Look, it has produced shoots already. This one is Moroccan red. Isis gold. Black Africana. And this one, orange giant. Again, Moroccan red. Mr. Wu. Vietnam white. Asunta 5. Again, another Black Africana. Black Africana. And Isis gold. So in between the dragon fruits, I have planted Trichantera. Yeah, Trichantera in between the dragon fruits. There. So my idea is I'm going to surround the farm with herbs. So yesterday we planted papaya. This one, papaya on this side, and then also papaya on this side. Yeah, so 2 rows of papaya, and then papaya leaves are also very good insecticide and pesticide. And then in between the papaya we have planted again trichantera in between. Yeah, up towards the end. So what do I have in mind? But before I bring in animals, yeah, I'm going to keep pigs here. Before I bring in animals, I'm planting forage crops. Maybe animals will come next year. So it's a long shot. For the animals, we try to bring pigs, chicken, ducks, and goats. Those are the animals that we're going to keep here. Maybe some geese. Ducks and geese.
Oops, lagyan mo lang kayo ito. Huwag ito. Hindi siya maganda para sa ay. Wala kasi ipit eh.
Sorry.
Ay,
Nalabutas na. Okay, Mumu.
ha?
Okay, Mumu.
Ito.
Hindi ko yung legs.
Ito.
Yan, 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 yan. Ito rin.
Gusto mo na? Ito sa'yo eh.
Oh, sige, sige, sige. Eleven o'clock na. Breakfast. My last meal last night was, I think, about 6 o'clock in the evening. And this is my first meal today. Lutuin mo lahat yan?
Oo naman. Sayang yung
Sabi ko, pwede mo lang ibalot ko na hindi kuwan, na hindi sinusunod. Pwede. Oo. Para steam ang labas niya, hindi siya roasted.
yung malalaki na lang.
Hmm?
Yung malalaki. Yung mga maliliit. Pwede na lang sa'yo.
Hindi na yan? Hindi na siguro. Hindi naman tinidor din lalaki. Hmm? Hindi naman tinidor ang dinala ko.
Dalawa. Mayroon pa. Sorry. Kaya nga baka hindi pa.
Ito. Hindi na yan. Hmm? Ang sarap.
Sarap.
Bless us, O Lord, this thy gift which we are about to receive from your goodness through Christ, O Lord. Amen. Bon appetit. Mm.
Gusto mo ang roasted ito?
Mm.
Gusto lang alam kung gusto mo. Oh,
Very nice.
tama ko ang lasa.
Mm.
Ang lasa.
Sarap.
Malat, hindi.
Mm. Okay. Look at our potatoes. Nice. That's organic, eh? No chemicals. Organic potatoes. Somehow they have survived blight. Huh? Some, of course, were affected, but that's okay. Next year when we plant potato again, and we are producing stronger varieties of potato seeds, they will be more resistant to disease already. We will not use chemicals. This is where we planted ginger and turmeric. So we planted 6 kgs of turmeric and 6 kgs of ginger. And in between, we just planted table vegetables, kitchen vegetables. Sukuma, spinach, cabbage. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching us, enjoying the farm, because we also enjoyed making these videos for you. Yeah. And thank you for journeying with us and enjoying roasted chicken. Alright, bye guys. Mungu awabariki. Kwaheri. Blessings always.
Tadi, ano na to? Para meron ka ng...
Say bye-bye.
Bye!